How to fix iPhone not backed up to iCloud error. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the ensure that iCloud backup is turned on. In order to do that, simply go to the settings, then tap on your name on the top, then it will open the Apple ID settings. From Apple ID settings, tap on the iCloud option available there. Inside iCloud, look for the iCloud backup and tap on it. Make sure iCloud backup is turned on or simply tap on the backup now to initiate a manual backup. After doing that, go back to the settings again. Now inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the general. Then scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset and tap on reset all settings. Reset all settings can help if there are issues with connectivity affecting iCloud backups. It will reconnect your Wi-Fi network after the reset and try backing up again. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.